1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pizzas. You did it. How many hamburgers can you count? 1, 2 hamburgers. Awesome. Count the bulldozers.
Yeah, you did it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
2 more.
8,
1 more. Do it.
9 bulldozers. Awesome. Count the hamburgers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There's 1 more left. Right there.
7 hamburgers. You did it. Count the donkeys. 1, 2, 3, 4 donkeys. Good job.
Yay!
How many balls can you